Okay, to start off our day, we need coffee, and we make coffee in this little espresso machine. In Spanish, I'm pretty sure it's called a Greca. So I already put some water in there. It's in there. It comes like with 3 pieces. So you put this one in the middle, then you take your coffee, and I put about 2 tablespoons. Tablespoons. I put about 2 tablespoons, you can almost see it, of coffee in here. Then I put it on the stove top. It's good about for 2 cups of coffee itself. Let's go about coffee. 1 and 2. And I seem to flatten it out. You don't have to. You can just put the lid on it and you should be good. And then here's the other part to it. You put it on your stove. And there I already have my coffee started. Okay, our coffee is already starting to boil. You can see that it's starting to evaporate. Hopefully I'm able to get you guys a glimpse of what it looks like inside. See, look at that. Okay, so the thing is, as soon as it gets to this point, don't leave it on the stove. Let it finish its boiling point on its own.